Hi guys! So we do have another bag. So for this one, unisex to. So pwede siyang men or female. But most of the time, lalaki yung gumagamit. So this one is called Pedro shoulder bag. So this is in burgundy color. So let me just show you guys. Ayan. So meron din siyang dust bag na may Christy Ang. And then there's also carton. So I'm not sure why. And then ganito siya pag bibili niyo yung bag. So this one is the burgundy color. And then alisin lang natin siya. So pwede siyang body bag for men since na-adjust yung strap niya. Ayan guys. So tanggalin muna natin. Ayan. On tag, so let's check. I forgot the price. I think it's 3,300. So this one is Pedro Burgundy. Ayan. So ito yung close up niya. So for the metal hardware, walang branding na nakasulat. So check natin yung ibang part. And then alisin din natin to. So binili ko to for me since nakikita na ako. Sayang nga walang green eh. Green kasi yung gusto ko sana. So ayan. So marami siyang butas para i-adjust nyo, depende kung gaano yung gusto kahaba. Tapos ito yung other side. So ayan guys. So wala pa ring branding yung hardware. And then ito yung bottom part. Ayan. So maganda overall. Tapos ito yung other side. So on the zipper, ito may Christy Ang na logo. Diyan. Tapos check natin ito. Ayan. So meron siyang front pocket. Pero actually mahirap siya gamitin since hindi siya magnetic. Ayan. Ang tendency pag naluma to, so hindi na siya cute tignan. And so let's check the main compartment kung anong meron. Okay, so marami lang paper insert para iwas deform ng bag. Ayan. What's this? So sa main compartment, ayun, cute guys. So may Christy Ang dito. And then, may zipper, pocket. Tapos, may logo ng Christy Ang. Tapos, meron siyang maliit lang dyan. Siguro yung mga important items, pwede nyo ilagay. And then, sa other side, we have open pocket naman. Ayan guys. Tapos, yung pinaka main compartment. So, marami naman siya malalagay. And then, kasyang-kasya yung Pro Max nyo na phone, charger, pera, cards, and everything. Ayan. So, overall, cute siya. Not your typical bag. Kasi, ano to eh, medyo, ano to eh, head turner. Pag suot nyo siya. Maraming makaka-appreciate. So, try natin siya ikabit. Yan. Yan guys. So, this is the longest. I think. At mukhang maliit siya sa akin. So, pag maliit to, malamang mapupunta to kay mama. Ayan guys. So thank you guys. So we have another unboxing